dollar index weekly time frame, this was your top, and now price in middle of this parallel channel. After making top on this upper trend line, next target will be retest of lower trend line, and price right now is near 50% retracement of this last wave, and it has successfully broken previous horizontal support level. So there is a good chance that it make upside correction or sideways correction. And people who were bullish on dollar for past few weeks, they have strong reason, because seasonality since 2009 to 2021 was same, because there was same monetary policy, and trick was dollar was always bearish in December month and bullish in January month, and December seasonality was perfect. It was down vertically, but it is not up in January. But if you see main concept as a beginner trader, that first dollar went up and top was made in Q4 last year. Now it is coming down, and new quarter, first quarter of this year 2023 has been started. Before next quarter start Q2, if dollar keep dropping non-stop until end of the quarter, then entire second quarter can be sideways a correction mode, and for that correction price now at perfect place 50% retracement level, and if correction does not come, then next target will be 60% retracement, next target 98 level. But correction is practically possible, and when correction will come, it will shock everyone. And our main dynamic support is lower trend line, but ultimate target is 88. This is our previous strong horizontal support zone, but we will look for that level in fourth quarter this year, near December and November time, when rate cut will start, because rate cut is bearish for dollar, and QE which will start next year 2024, that is also bearish for dollar. So next 2 or 3 years are bearish, and this is just top, and hedge fund are selling non-stop. On H4 time frame, dollar index is making lower low with lower high, so a sideways or upside correction is possible. And since Euro USD, which is always an inverted chart of dollar index, it is doing same thing, making higher high with higher low. It came down making ABC flat correction, but made new high instantly after CPI and other economic indicator. On daily time frame of Euro USD, everything is clear, and this bearish trend has completely ended, and this was your first impulsive wave, but correction will come, and that correction can come in March FOMC, because everyone is waiting for official announcement for rate pause. Then these bulls can take profit, and there is a less chance for that announcement in Feb FOMC meeting. So major top can come in Feb or March FOMC. But this is third week of month, which is always important based on seasonality. So if correction comes this big, then that correction can last up to Feb FOMC meeting, and that will be your first and big correction, and don't miss. And if we got 30 or maybe 50% retracement, then you can buy again Euro USD. But this previous resistance is now broken, and now they will target next resistance. And for beginner trader who are new, you have crystal clear horizontal support and resistance. And best thing about this horizontal support and resistance is you do not need to do much work. They never change, their number is always static, and it is easy to trade. And if it make a chart pattern correction above this horizontal resistance, then we will buy in the middle and will target next resistance. For dollar, there are three main monetary trends. The current is rate pause, and everyone is waiting for official announcement, then rate cut, then in last, which is final trend, which is QE. And QE announcement will not happen this year, it will happen before election, because beginner trader not talking about election next year, you cannot ignore. And all of these steps which are coming for dollar very fast, they are bearish for dollar and bullish for Euro USD, and it will go up slowly and it will break this previous high. And if you want to confuse yourself what ECB is doing, then you can keep reading news and you can wait until official announcement. But ultimately Euro USD depends on US dollar and Fed announcement. And GBPUSD daily time frame, it came down, it is still below this previous high compared to Euro USD. So if dollar correction start in DXY, then it can go down and we will buy at 50% retracement level. Or if this is a sideways correction, then wait till end of chart pattern. But next target will be upper resistance, because that bearish trend has retraced 50%, and next target will be 61%. On H4 time frame of GBPUSD, after breaking this leading diagonal chart pattern, it is down, but it is still trading below previous high. And if it make new lower low on H4, then that can be zigzag pattern and we can buy at retracement level. And USDJPY daily time frame, it made this top at 151 and now it is coming down because Bank of Japan yield curve control, that thing is going out of control. And in the end, if Bank of Japan lost complete control, then Fed can start QE this year. And central bank are now selling again dollar and it is coming down vertically. And if you see H4 time frame of USDJPY, then first of all we have this parallel channel. It is testing upper and lower trend line multiple times. In a bearish downtrend in parallel channel, it is not a good advice to buy retest of lower trend line. You wait. If it goes up and retest upper trend line once again, then you can sell. Or If it retests this previous low, then you can sell, because since this top it is repeating same strategy. It's come down, make support, breakout, then retest, because this was your first support and it made double top on this support level after breakout, then it came down. Right now it has made new low, so wait for correction, which can be chart pattern or retest of this previous support or this upper trend line. If dollar is bearish in January, then there is a possibility that it can strong again short term next month. But this week you will see big price action in Forex. So back to dollar index weekly time frame, there is a possibility for correction, but it completely depends on market that when correction will come. But that will be short term, and long term dollar is bearish. That was your top, and after some correction it will go back to 88 level. That is your ultimate target and support level.